How are you?
I'm okay. I'm coping. I can say I'm much, much better now than January, perhaps. I think when you called me and you said, you know, relax ka muna. I was terrible then. But now I'm okay. You know, I've been through a lot of realizations, understood why, not really understanding, but making my own reasons why probably God took him first.
Right.
But I'm better now. And, you know, this thing is helping me a lot. Kasi nga sabi ko, gusto ko na mag-work, ganyan-ganyan. Kasi parang I'm so depressed. I want to get out of my depression. Parang I want to be busy. I want to do things. And I wanted, instead of looking at my grief, parang how can I make other people happy? Change the negative to positive. How can I inspire people? Diba, instead of thinking about, oh, I'm so discouraged. You know, boy, there was a time na humiga ako sa kama ko nakadipa and I was just crying and crying and crying na talagang basang-basa na yung kama ko. Talagang nandito ka ba? Are you here? Is there a God? Parang, why do you want me to be like this? Parang you want me to be single? Why? I can do anything for you with a husband. Why do you want me to be alone? And then, parang, because of all my prayers, sabi ko, basang-basa na yung pillow ko. I sat up and then I said, I'm sorry, I didn't want to be mad at you, but I'm just ranting. So I was talking to God na parang ganun lang. And then, parang a voice was telling me, have you seen, why do you keep focusing on what you don't have? On what you no longer have? Why don't you focus on what you still have?